Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Venice AI, a powerful platform that lets you build custom AI workflows without writing code. So let's get started. First, go to venice.ai and click Sign Up. You can sign in using your Google account. It only takes a few clicks. Once you're in, you'll notice two key features, private chat and AI generation. Let's try generating an image. Just type a prompt like a beautiful woman walking on a beach, and Venice will create a photorealistic result in seconds. The quality is impressive. Next, let's test the chat. You can ask general questions like, what do you think about time travel? And Venice will give you thoughtful, AI-generated responses, all in a private web-enabled space. So if you're looking for a more open, private AI experience, Venice AI is worth checking out. And that's it. You've just built your first AI pipeline with Venice. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.